talking about. So if you're filming it now, you got it. Lord have mercy, that's scary.
Another great day here in Florida. Forza Tuning. John, just hanging out, enjoying the sun, winding down for the day. Trying to get a game plan for a poker run next weekend. Trying to get Brenton out the shop, go enjoy some of this Florida sunshine. We're getting him out.
What's the deal with this crate and demon?
Oh, this is the third, not one, not two, but third transporter that showed up to get this car, man. He's confused trying to figure out how to get the crate in the back of the truck. Expects us to lift it and put it in the truck. It's not gonna happen. So he's still on the phone with his people, and it's the comic, man. Comical situation. Owner wants the crate. It ain't gonna fit in the truck.
Hey, he said what we're gonna do is just send an enclosed trailer for that box, because it seemed like the owner really wants that box, and if the weather hits it or it rains, it's gonna destroy that box, and I don't want to hit it. All right.
So now we're on number 4.
Hey, I'm trying to take it.
No, hey,
I want to take it. I don't want you to be on number 4 or number 5 either, but hey, I'm trying to take it, but they want to say he want to take it, put it on the enclosed. So.
Yeah, I would too, be in that car, what
All
it
right.
is.
No problem. All right, I tried.
You can't make this shit up, people. Or sorry, excuse my language. You can't make this stuff up.
Well, this is going on. We have trailer, what, number 4? This is number 3. He doesn't want to take the car away, so I guess we'll keep it. I don't mind. I'll take it home.
We got some cars getting ready to leave, so we're trying to button them up for tomorrow. I think we can ship maybe 4 out tomorrow, which should be pretty good. We're way overloaded in here, so the more the better. So that's about it.
What's up, Mr. Brody?
How's it going?
It's all good. It's all sweet now. I'm here. Hollywood has arrived. To another Hollywood. Whoa, there he is. The boss man himself, man. I am just blessed to be in the grace of all these, wow, exotic cars. So I got to do this. I am Z-Man. I'm Erlico Suave's cousin. So that makes me exotic too. Yeah, I'm good, man. Yeah. Golly, this is what, of all the cars that y'all have, if I could afford, probably start with this.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we got an Audi in the family already.
Yeah.
Look at me, babe. Look at your boo. Preacher man. Boy, that donation plate sure got fat with this one. Awesome, man. Awesome. Car got some.
You can take it, so you can drive us if you want.
All right, it's cool,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
It's
you can
cool.
drive it.
Yeah.
This is your favorite one?
Dude, we can go in all of them. It don't matter. It don't matter. Whatever you got available, we can jump in it, man. I just want to ride. Just change your mind a little bit.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
Rolling, buddy.
All right, you ready to drive the R8?
I'm ready to go, man. I'm ready to get down, man. My heart is like right there, but once I get back there, it can't be no different than a big truck, only faster. Yeah.
Awesome. Speechless. Hop on in.
There you go. Wait a minute. All right. Hey, I was just playing, y'all. I always got something to say. Oh my God. Oh, I'm scared of this. But it fits, honey. Oh man. Oh Lord.
Anything else to say?
I see all my fans. I see y'all in a little bit. We're gonna go, what is it? Well, I can't say trucking. We're gonna go carring. Hey, this is to the Forza I am out. Oh! See? Way high tech than I got. Later. All right. Right as
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, you might hear me say that a lot now. Where you want to go?
Wherever you want to go. You're driving.
Okay, so it's doing it automatically, do its own thing, or?
There you go. It'll shift on its own now.
This is cool, man.
I think they're gonna come over in that TrackHawk, so you can ride one of those too.
Oh, okay, okay.
All right, Brody. What
All
are we
right,
about to
everybody.
do?
Right now we're taking a stage 4 TrackHawk out to the back road to meet up with Britton and Preacher. And Preacher's driving the R8 right now.
Whoa.
Once we've taken this out, Preacher and Britton are gonna switch, and they're gonna go to this car, and we'll go in the R8. So yeah, that's the deal right now.
What you want to do? You don't want none of this. I know you don't. I got the man next to me here. You want some of this? Nah, I ain't think you did. I don't hear you saying nothing, but I'm finna take off. See you on down the road, Jack. Lord have mercy. Yes, sir, that's my church. That sounds good. Man, that sounds good.
Nice car, isn't it?
It's nice, man. This is nice, man. It's you again? You must be, you really want some of this.
Oh yeah.
You didn't have enough just a minute ago? Oh, did you see that? Okay, all right, but hey, I'm enjoying this. And I'm forever grateful for Vonza for letting me do this. Forza. Look, hey, I you know, Arthur Frazzarelli, you know, I just can't get that out of my head. You remember the Fonz? I mean, you know, but I'm really enjoying this. Now, when I get out there, I'm gonna open it up. So if you want to keep up, it's gonna be on you. Okay, youngster, holler back. Peace. I am in this car driving. I am driving a Audi R8. Yes. Yes. What happened? She hung up. Well, you know what? I ain't got time for that. Okay, I want to hit it. Now this is why I wanted to get on the smooth side.
Yeah, bumpy at first.
Ooh, no. I don't know if I should be asking. I don't want no more. That thing gets it, man.
Oh yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I won't mess with you no more. You went past me like nothing. Wow. That was exhilarating. That was fun. I love it, man.
Yeah.
But I won't mess with the second champ over there. No more. No more. What can I say? What can I say? I can't say no more. I'm just super excited. The things I want to say, I can't say. You know, on how that made me feel just now, you know. But when you guys came by me a minute ago, that was like a humble thing, you know. Because I let up when I saw you coming. I pushed it back, you know, and you went like, and I was like, okay. And it's not my vehicle to try to just push it all out, you know. But I ain't scared of it though. That's what I'm in this right now. I'm not driving it. Yeah, well, this is what I'm in now, and this is Brett. He's the owner.
What's up, man?
Hey,
What's going on, buddy?
you and him the same age, man. He owned that shop that I've got all these exotic cars. This is John, his main man back there.
How's it going? Good, nice to meet you.
Yeah, so you say you like the Jeep TrackHawk?
Yeah, I want one of them TrackHawks.
Well, listen, I'm gonna let Brett describe this one to you.
It's slow.
It's slow.
It ain't slow. It's not slow, Brett.
Well,
Everything but slow.
tell him about what you got in this thing, the engine and all this stuff, man.
We modify them, so we usually make them 1,000 horsepower.
Oh, y'all make so y'all do like the
No, man, I just got through. Yeah, they were filming. I'm doing a video with them, man. I'm the star. I told you, boy, you guys, boy, look, this.
I'm going to track out though. I'm gonna get one soon, so I'll be down there real soon.
All right. But I want you to. Yeah, I'll call you back later on when I get through.
Okay.
All right, love you.
Later, man.
Woo! Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. If you're filming it now, you got it. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's bad. That's
From a dead stop, it's a lot more impressive.
Yeah, that's bad. When I say bad, that's good. You know.
But when we get off, I'll show you from a dead stop. That's where it kind of shines.
Yeah, I agree. Well, over here we have a 2018 Audi B10 R8, right?
Yes, sir.
I drove it. This is the first time I drove a supercar, and it's fast. It's carbon fiber.
Yes, sir.
Wow, this is awesome. Everybody should get one of these. And I'm telling you, it only goes for maybe 150,000. Unless you got Floyd Mayweather money, you get 3 or 4 of these. But it's awesome. I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed my day here with Forza. I said it wrong. They know me. I'm just clowning. But I've enjoyed my day. This has been my belated birthday gift. One day. And that is awesome.
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 Appreciate you coming out.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure. There should be more young men like you out here in the world. Give us old people a thrill sometime.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. To my many fans, I say hello and a goodbye. Good.